Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be giving a tutorial on this atrt right here. It's from Kashyyyk. It has Kashyyyk Gibran and stuff. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's get right into it. So this atrt is actually Minifigure Scale and we built it. It's not like a Lego set or anything. But speaking of the Lego set, this is the Lego set. Compared to a minifigure, it is way off scale. Like this one is Minifigure Scale, that one is like a house height. It's big. So yeah, let's get building. So these are all the pieces you'll need. But these ones down here, these two colors, you can change these depending on which atrt you want. Like if you want a 501st one, you just make blue versions of these on it. But other than that, all these pieces are pretty much the same. So pause the video right now and go grab the pieces and then build along. To start off, I'll be building the legs. So first, just get these two pieces right here and just connect them together like that. Pretty simple. And just connect that piece right there. And then this one, make sure it is upside down so the studs face the bottom. And then just put the jumper plate right here. And then this one we want to clip just right there. Then we'll start on the foot. So get that piece and just put it right there on the end. Then just put studs on either side of that. Then you want to get these slopes over here and just put them like that. And then you can bend it into shape. And we got a foot. So make sure to make 2 of the legs. And after you do that, put this piece right there on one, but then on the other one make sure to put it opposite, so on that side, so they're opposite from each other, and then just put discs on those studs on the sides right there. And now we can build the rest of the body. So to start off, just use the 2x4 right here. Just put a 2x2 with 2 of these on top right there, and then you're just going to want to put this bar piece right underneath of that, and then 2 dark gray 1x2 plates, just stack those on top of each other, and then just stick that right there, the bendable piece, and then jumper plate on top of that, and then put these types of pieces just on the back of that the 2x4, and stick that right there. And then you want to put these little claw pieces on that. So yeah. So next you want to grab this piece right here and just put this dark gray piece on top of it. And then get this bar and just put the little pin right there on it, just on the very end, and just clip that on like right there. And then from there you just get this base that we made and just put it on like right there. So then you want to make this little thing. You just get this handle and just put this underneath, and then we stick that like this on there. Really simple. And then we get these right here. Just put those together. Do it with the other one. Put that right there. And and then we just put these facing this way on there. Stick it on like right there. Do that on both sides. And then we just build the last thing. Just get the 1x2 here, put that curvy piece right there, and then this one right there. And then this end of the 1x2 just goes right there. And you slope that down. Now we can put it all together. So you just stick the legs on these bars right here, just like that. Just stick them on right there. And then if you have a minifigure for it, you can just stick them on. And you got yourself a completed atrt from Kashyyyk. Really cool minifigure scale atrt. Okay guys, that's it for the video. If you liked the video, I have other videos just like this on my channel. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell.